Understanding the law of exponents. Simplifying complex math. Hello and welcome to today's learning session. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of exponents, specifically focusing on the law of exponents. This concept is a cornerstone in mathematics, and understanding it will make dealing with complex numbers much simpler. So, let's dive in and demystify the law of exponents together. First, let's understand what an exponent is. In mathematics, an exponent refers to the number of times a number, known as the base, is multiplied by itself. For example, 232 to the power of 323, read as 2 to the power of 3, means 2 times 2 times 22, times 2, times 22 times 2 times 2. Exponents are not just numbers. They are a powerful tool to express large numbers in a compact form. Now, let's introduce the law of exponents. This law consists of several rules that govern how to handle calculations involving exponents. These rules make it easier to work with exponents and simplify expressions. We will explore these rules one by one. Rule 1. Multiplying powers with the same base. When you multiply powers with the same base, you keep the base and add the exponents. For instance, m times n equals m plus na caret m, times a caret n equals a caret m plus n, m times n equals m plus n. This rule simplifies multiplication by turning it into addition. Rule 2. Dividing powers with the same base. For division, the rule is similar but with subtraction. If you divide powers with the same base, you subtract the exponents. N equals m minus na caret m, a caret n equals a caret mn, n equals m minus n. This is particularly useful in simplifying fractions with exponents. Rule 3. Power of a power. When you have a power raised to another power, you multiply the exponents. For example, n equals amn, a caret m, caret n equals a caret mn, n equals amn. This rule helps in further simplifying expressions with multiple layers of exponents. Rule 4. Power of a product. When a product is raised to an exponent, each factor of the product is raised to the exponent. Ab n equals anbn, ab caret n equals a caret nb caret n, ab n equals anbn. This rule is a game changer in expanding expressions. Rule 5. Power of a fraction. Similarly, when a fraction is raised to an exponent, both the numerator and denominator are raised to that exponent. Ab n equals anbn, left, frac a b, right, caret n equals frac a caret n, b caret n, ba, n equals bnan. And that's a wrap on our journey through the law of exponents. I hope this video has shed light on how exponents work and how these rules can make your math problems easier to solve. Remember, practice is key in mastering these concepts. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next session. Stay curious.